YouTube. Traffic was particularly pants this morning, so I didn't bother filming any of that. We are here at Quicksilver Exhausts. So this is, we've been working with the guys, funnily enough, I think as of 2 or 3 weeks ago, 9 years we've been getting exhaust systems from the guys at Quicksilver, and we've sort of struck up a little bit of a partnership when it comes to the software calibration side of things. So what we have today is stunning Lamborghini Huracan EVO. Customer had the guys at Quicksilver say, here we go, here's the old system, weighs a ton, loses a little bit of the sole. These are not too bad compared to the other ones. And then let's see if I can get you in here. See in there, just about, titanium casing, much lighter system as a whole. Customer previously had his R8, I believe, had a Quicksilver system. So as soon as he upgraded to this, and yeah, he was basically after a few more ponies. So I'm here to facilitate all of that. Car sounds great. These cars do sound great, but with that little bit of extra spice is always welcome. Yeah, I'll be chatting with the customer shortly anyway, because in the future, I would love to actually get this thing on the dyno, just because, hold on, shut this door. Well, just because it looks awesome. Looks incredible. So yeah, had a really good catch up with Ollie and Paul and the guys here. I'll probably grab the drone because these guys are in a really nice part of the world. They've got it pretty sussed on this industrial estate, got their big Quicksilver buildings. They were showing me some of the products, some new bits and bobs that they're doing for Tim, for Shmee's car, for his Ford GT. They've got another version of the exhaust, which I was fortunate enough to see what they've done and what they've upgraded on it. So yeah, it's brilliant. Yeah, and there's just Quicksilver products everywhere. Yeah, bit of a cool place to come. Obviously, really well run company. They've got all their branding just on point and everything. So I'll probably get some videos of it, of the Huracan starting up. Beat a V10 absolute symphony. Yeah, I really hope the customer lets us chuck this one on the dyno. This would sound incredible. Full chat, 140, 150 mile an hour. This would sound magnificent. Right, we are all done. Everything is all good. Our end, the guys, Ollie is just miking the car up. Hold on, spin you around. Ollie's micing the car up. They've been filming and doing bits that'll be going on their YouTube as well, I assume. But the car sounds absolutely phenomenal. So hold on, let me take you around. Look, Ollie's got all of his wiring. Here he is.
Yo.
So yeah, this is going to sound phenomenal. Just sent the drone up as well. I'll send it up again. I might as well get some more bits and bobs, but pretty much for what we are doing here, we are all done. So yeah, it should be one happy client, and the sound of the exhaust, honestly, he is going to be blown away. It sounds absolutely incredible. Right, that is us all done. The guys obviously shot off and did a load of testing for, you know, obviously they had the car all mic'd up, so they were obviously getting a load of sound clips and video clips, which I'm sure they'll let us steal to chuck in our video. things sounded absolutely incredible. Obviously that V10 is a masterpiece, and the software calibration really does, you know, it doesn't make huge amounts of peak power on top, but it really cleans the things up, so it feels brilliant on the road, coupled with how good it sounds. Is just, for the money, there's just absolutely incredible cars. So yeah, the customer is going to be over the moon with that. The guys at Quicksilver, always a pleasure to work with them. I think we're going to be doing, you know, pretty much moving forward anything software wise that they need. Obviously we've always offered their exhaust systems. We've helped them in the past with, you know, development of a couple of little bits, so it's really good to work really closely with them again. Paul and Ollie, obviously the rest of the chaps there, yeah, brilliant guys. So if you need anything along those lines, give us a shout. We always look after customers when it comes to prices, and you know, our install team is second to none. So moving forward in the videos as well, the guys at Caldridge who do the fitting sides of things, they're going to be featured a bit more on it, so you can really see us as a team, the whole package as a team, and the bits we get up to. So stay tuned for the next one.